Oh, it's drilling out a little hole now.
Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to our channel. CNC machines are heavy machines used to cut wood and other hard material that gives it a certain form. Many CNC machines have a high construction efficiency and can be used for a variety of different purposes such as chopping, milling, and spinning. We understand that a lot of our readers are hobbyist woodworkers or beginners who have just fallen in love with woodworking. Here are some of the most satisfying wood carving machines in the world. Number 7. Bob CNC E4 CNC Machine. The first one in the series will be one of the CNC routers that we personally enjoy. The Bob CNC E4 is an outstanding alternative to begin with. It has a cutting area of 610 by 610 millimeters and is provided by the SG20U rail system. Made of a rigid laser cut structure, you're going to enjoy the process of doing something about it. Bob CNC E4 model closely resembles Bob CNC E3. You can use this machine to work on hard plastic or light wood. When you buy it, the entire kit comes in a very healthy manner and a good standard of components, best for someone just starting out. Bob CNC already has its own YouTube channel from which you can discover this computer and learn more about it.
All right.
McDowell CNC 3018 Pro Router. The McDowell CNC router delivers all the wonderful qualities you expect from the router and the budget. It has an average scale, ideal for laptop use where space can be small. The router can be used offline simply by downloading all the necessary files to the USB and then plugging them into the machine. The capacity of the offline tool is only 1 gigabyte, which should be enough space to store multiple projects. This machine is not intended to be used for industrial grade purposes, but is powerful enough to complete jobs for personal use. When it comes to durability, it's not necessarily the strongest and most durable router, so you can't expect to have this model forever without some wear and tear. This model comes with a 12-month warranty, so you're covered if something beyond your control happens to it in the first year. Number 5. SignSmart Genmitsu CNC Router Machine 3018. If you're searching for a tiny CNC router to install in your house, you'll find several different choices on the internet. However, if you want a computer that is as powerful and inexpensive, then consider the SignSmart Genmitsu CNC Router 3018. This is a very smart computer filled with features that make it very suitable for beginners to work with. SignSmart 3018 has pre-assembled pieces that make it very simple to set up. It's not going to take you longer than 15 minutes to set up. You need awareness of the GRBL version 1.1 program to operate the CNC router. It's ingrained with Toshiba TB6S109 drivers who work secretly. Optocouplers are also attached to this machine in an effort to provide additional longevity protection to the mainboard. The sides are lined with acrylic baffles to guarantee you're secure while you keep an eye on the workpiece. The baffles also ensure that the dust doesn't disperse anywhere, since the system is in operation to keep the work environment cleaner. This computer has a frame made entirely of aluminum. This gives a tremendous consistency and strengthens both the quality of work and its life. You don't have to rely on the software to control this machine. There's a handheld remote that can be used to control the X, Y, and Z axis. The 1.9-inch display also provides an account of the operation of your machine. Number 4. Yofli CNC 3018 Pro Max Router. If you're looking for a high-end CNC router that can fit into your garage workshop, which is also value for money, Yofli CNC 3018 Pro Max is your router. The entire setup is made of aluminum alloy and is therefore very robust and durable. This CNC router has a volume of 400 millimeters by 330 millimeters by 240 millimeters with an effective working area of 300 millimeters by 180 millimeters. The spindle is moving to a height of 45 millimeters. The spindle requires a 24-volt AC power source with a current of 10 amps. The spindle is also professionally manufactured with air cooling systems to help you operate smoothly. You can use the GRBL software to position the components in the X, Y, and Z axis. They can also be positioned manually, ensuring superior control over the machine and its applications. The spindle moves very well and can be cut through several soft materials, reaching a maximum power of up to 200 watts. With this package, you get 10 drill bits and 4 clamps to fix the workpiece, a pair of anti-light spectacles, and other necessary equipment you would need to set up the machine. This is a versatile machine that can run on different operating systems from Windows XP to 10. Number 3. CNC Carve King Millwright. If you talk about design, then Millwright's Carve King CNC is going to be a great machine for you. Not only is it a great budget CNC machine, but it packs a punch with a feature like a USB controlled board that is preloaded with GRBL control firmware. The entire CNC was built over a double refined 3/4 MDF frame that supports the entire machine during operation. While you're looking for inexpensive alternatives, you also want value for money goods, but you often end up making sacrifices, and that's where it's really important for you to know the specifications of any device. With Millwright CNC, you are not made to purchase needless accessories that don't have any reason, so you get what you pay for.
Oh, it's drilling out a little hole now.
Number 2. Shapeoko XXL Desktop CNC Carving Package. The Shapeoko XXL CNC computer is the most important offering of the Shapeoko family. Unlike the Shapeoko 3 Vanilla, there are many other items produced by the company. But if you're looking for a decent price to drive into a wider CNC machining style, then XXL is going to be a perfect buy. If you look at the other variant of the same machine called Shapeoko XL, which has a double cutting area relative to its smaller equivalent, the regular machine. However, the Shapeoko XXL has a cutting area 4 times wider. Now, to be frank, the Shapeoko XXL is very big and may surpass your budget. This computer doesn't come cheap, but we've listed it here because we figured you could. They have fantastic features like both electronics and engines, along with Carbide's motion control software and aluminum extrusions and powder-coated steel frames.
Alright, as you can see here, I did the tabs in here. That way it stays in there when it's...
Number 1. WorkBee CNC Machine. The WorkBee CNC computer is a flagship of Ooznest and has been founded on a vast experience of listening to users, and also comes up with functionality that newbies and pros like in their computers. If you're a novice and eager to work on low-budget projects, this is a perfect machine to get started. You will use it to cut foams, timber, plastics, and even aluminum at depths greater than 25 millimeters and up to 0.2 millimeter accuracy. So do let us know which wood carving computer caught your eye the most in the comment section below, while also leaving us a like and subscribing to our channel to catch up on more awesome content such as this in the future. And with that, I'll be catching you guys later in another video. Bye now.